Every day, we buy products, use services, and trust businesses. But do you know, under the Consumer Protection Act 2019, you have 6 legally enforceable rights to protect you from exploitation? I'm Advocate Samriddhi Sharma, and today I'll show you your rights and how to officially file a complaint online. Legally, a consumer under Section 2, Subclause 7 of Consumer Protection Act 2019 is anyone who buys goods or avails services for a consideration, whether paid, promised, or partly paid. Purchases for resale or commercial purposes are excluded. The Consumer Protection Act 2019 recognizes 6 essential rights. The first one is right to safety, that is, protection from hazardous goods and services. The second one is right to information, that is about quality, quantity, purity, and price. Third is right to choice, access to a variety of goods and services at competitive prices. Fourth is right to be heard, that is, your grievances must be considered. Fifth is right to seek redressal, that is, legal remedies for loss or injury. Sixth is right to consumer education, that is, awareness about your rights. Under Section 2, Subclause 6 of Consumer Protection Act 2019, a complaint can be filed for defective goods, deficiency in services, unfair or restrictive trade practices, and misleading advertisements causing loss or injury. Your claim amount decides where you should file: district, state, or national commission under Section 34, 47, and 58 respectively. You can file a complaint to district commission if you have a claim up to rupees 50 lakhs under Section 34, to State Commission if you have a claim of rupees 50 lakhs to rupees 2 crores under Section 47, and to National Commission if your claim is above 2 crores, that is under Section 58. You have to file your complaint on an online portal, that is www.edakhil.nic.in, and the steps for the same are that first you have to collect all the supporting evidences, that is bills, warranty cards, photos and correspondence. Step 2 is to draft a formal complaint stating facts, relief sought, and relevant sections. Step 4 is upload your complaint annexures and pay the prescribed fee online, and then you can track the status online until the hearing and final order is pending. Remember, you must file your complaint within 2 years from the date of cause of action unless delay is condoned for sufficient cause. Remedies may include replacement, refund, compensation for loss or injury, discontinuation of unfair practices, and even punitive damages. The Consumer Protection Act 2019 is not just a statute, it's your shield against exploitation. If you found this useful, subscribe to my channel for more clear and practical legal insights, empowering you to stand up for your rights. Thank you.